Yeah, harka ta tashi a bamu hanya, tirela ba burki yawa. Harka ta tashi a bamu hanya, ce me, tirela ba burki. Yeah, shi sa su hada gidi. Nace, why sa su hada gidi? Why, yeah, sa su hada gidi. Yeah, sa su hada gidi.
Hello, Khalifa.
Suna don aji, mutane da yawa suna kira na don dada. Ni ne CEO na Bakaya Music.
What? You want us to meet now? I have plans, so. Yeah, I'm kind of busy. Is it that important? Oh, okay. I'll meet you guys, you and Nuhu, at the polo ground. Okay, I'll be there. All right.
Hi, Biko.
Yeah, what is it?
You like being reckless.
Just chill.
I really need that money released immediately, huh? Okay, I'll send one of my people to come and pick it up. That's right. 100 million naira. Yes. Okay. All right, very good. Your Excellency, able chair, please sit down.
How about Ranka? You can drop the Excellency whenever I'm here. There won't be me without you.
But we must observe protocol. Let me go straight to the point. As the national leader of MDP, it is up to me to announce the consensus candidate to run for governorship of Kogi State.
That's kind of.
So who has the party decided on as the candidate?
Someone loyal, useful to the interests of the party.
How can I?
Someone you can count on to do the right thing every time. Jibrin Kankada.
Jibrin Kankada.
But sir, Jibrin Kankada is not even an active member of our party. He's not even an astute politician. Kankada, remember when he was the local?
I am very aware of his political career. I don't need you to tell me.
Isn't there anyone else you can consider? There are plenty of loyalists out there.
I said Jibrin Kankada, and I will not repeat myself. Do I have your cooperation?
Yes, of course.
Good. Very good. We will discuss it further later. I need to get some sleep right now.
Okay. Okay, Alaji.
Ai ba wani kato mai fuso bane kamar tafkin da ruwa ya kare, ba alkali bane ba balle ya zubo tara ka bada, ba dan sanda bane da zai je aiki yamma ya tashi, sai ya bari ka je gurinsa ya kama ka kan laifukan ka ya jefa ka cikin naru jahannama ka ji gidan bashirke.
So these figures don't look good at all.
Are you sure? There's no margin of error, no fallback?
Well, with the recent devaluation of the Naira and the global economic crunch, it's really not very encouraging.
But that's what I just keep saying. The explosion was not our fault. I keep saying those boys were just tampering with all the pipelines. And if I recall, we lost 3 of our men.
Nobody wants to know where oil and money are concerned, sir. That incident brought a lot of unwanted attention to the company.
And Ganji?
That is our major albatross. That loan is still hanging over our heads. Now, with the consortium moving in, not to mention AMCON and FIRS sniffing about, I can try to hold them off, move the numbers around a little bit, but, sir, it's my duty to warn you of the inevitable, unless something drastic is done.
How drastic?
$150 million, liquid.
And we don't have that, how?
Too many projects. Service loans, not to mention the real estate business in Nigeria is not what it should be.
Are you sure nobody in NIPC Or the presidency owes me any favors?
Not that I know of, sir.
How much would it take to pay them off, just to quieten them down for now?
About 75%.
$100 million, 50 billion naira?
Yes, sir.
Okay, let's take a few days to think over this. In the meantime, don't discuss this with anybody, especially Nuhu.
Well, guys, the reason why I want all of us to be here is to break this news to you. I'm running in as the governor of Kowa State in the forthcoming gubernatorial election. Okay, but wow, politics. Inshallah. Why?
Huh? Why? I don't understand why. I mean, like, I've just decided to, go into politics, and I'm entering that with full force. Wallahi.
Okay, when did this interest in politics come?
Gaskiya, I never thought you were deep into politics like that.
Wallahi, let me tell you something. Same thing with me. I never thought actually on that, but just one day, I woke up and decided to just get into that.
But wait, Khalifa.
No.
But you are next in line to the throne of Kowa Caliphate. Mm-hmm. What happens to that?
Well, you see, you haven't told your father, have you? Must I tell my father? Must I tell him anything? Listen, guy. Do you know I have thought of this? All these archaic traditional institutions are not important in the world of today. Do you know that? No, let me tell you something. You see, how do we defend all the millions and billions of money that is attached to them for just essentially doing nothing? How do we defend it? What is the whole point? So is that what you want me to just go and sit on a certain traditional stool and
doing nothing? Did I hear you saying doing nothing? Let me tell you, your father alone is responsible for the peace and being a good leader. And come to think of it, even the England where you spend half of your life in has a queen, Elizabeth.
I'm telling you.
Am I wrong?
Don't forget that your father's royal connection has helped you so far in life.
So also are your father's popular businesses.
That is helping you to play polo now. Coco, is it? I am not denying that, Your Highness. But
come. What I don't understand is who would you want to go through all that campaign while under stress to become governor when you can comfortably use your connection and get richer without the stress?
Good point. Wallahi tallahi, inshallah. I am going in as the governor of Kowa, and nobody can tell me otherwise. Allah. Madam Bakubama, I wouldn't have been telling you this thing.
Allah ibadasa.
But seriously, KM, I think you do very good for the state. You have the right energy and ideas. I don't see you sitting back and building firms like some of our past leaders.
And who are the past leaders, if I may ask? What are you insinuating?
Did I mention anybody's name?
No, if you are referring to my father, then you should also remember that it was he who had the Kowa Dam built. He achieved a lot in schools and hospitals, and he made sure salaries were paid on time.
Was all part of his job, Gaskia. Besides, did you hear me mention Alhaji Lo?
No, but the way you are...
Okay, then Allah go there. Diko, okay. Nuhu, why are you getting all worked up over this issue? You know he's not referring to Alhaji Lo.
I mean, Come
But he's always looking for my trouble. You know that.
Looking for what? Guys, are we still in primary school?
Let me ask him, please.
You two are always on the throat of each other.
I stand by my word and I'm taking nothing back. Besides, your father completed the dam that had already been started. Nice. Distraction. Can you see?
Just call me up. Girl, I'm standing by to catch you when you fall. Don't hesitate, just take a step. Girl, I'm ready to go all the way.
Allah jaza Allah jaza mana. Amin wazifa.
Your Highness, I seek your permission to start with the dispute in Konduga local government area.
Yes, Your Highness. The border dispute with Kebbi, again, they haven't been able to resolve it.
No, Your Highness, it has not been resolved. In fact, there are reports of attacks in the villages, and the people are running to the neighboring towns. Kuma, I have this information that there's this issue of cattle rustling in the area. Your Highness, it seems the youths of Kamkasi and Jimbidi villages are even attacking each other.
No. This is unacceptable. Galadima, send an envoy to them immediately. And Waziri, brief the police about this.
Angama.
And I
Good afternoon. Is there a problem?
How can there be a problem with someone as beautiful as you?
Nice try. But as you can see, there is someone here.
Well, I didn't find anyone here. But you and I.
There is someone coming back to his seat.
So? I should be afraid. When he comes back, let him try and get me out of this place. Then that is how he will prove to me that I'm in his territory.
And what if he's a military man?
I was once in the military. So he will find it very hard to move me.
Ma, here are the files Madam said I should give to you in her absence. There is your pen.
I think that's all, James. You have done a really nice job. And I will surely tell Mrs. Bellu your hard work. And as a matter of fact, I will be dropping by to see all the things and check the reports as instructed.
Of course, ma'am. Thank you very much. And so I hope you're enjoying your time here.
Hey? Who are you? I thought you were her boyfriend,
Madam here comes in to supervise on behalf of my boss when she's not around.
Is that so? Wow.
Anyways, let me know if you need anything special. I'll be of service.
Okay, James. Cool. That's your name, huh?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Thank you.
That was a good one.
But I wasn't making any joke.
Well, my name is Diko Umar Loko. And you?
Binta Kutigi.
Ah, Binta, nice name.
Quite common in northern Nigeria, actually.
But your beauty is not quite common. What is funny?
I don't know what to make of you. I should be annoyed at your boldness, but instead I'm just actually somehow impressed.
Binta. So Binta, tell me, what do? You work in Abuja?
Oh, as a matter of fact,
yeah,
I have my own event management company.
Wow.
Binta's Bespoke Events.
Wow.
We have an office in town.
I'm impressed. Do you have a card?
Oh, yeah.
Thank you. Huh?
You're welcome.
Binta. I found a wife. My wife.
Because you're already married. Are you sure you can handle a second one?
You should ask yourself.
Binta Kutigi. Bintal's Bespoke Events. Probably just another Abuja babe who's posing as a businesswoman to pull stupid rich toasters.
Oh, man must spend his money. So why not on good things?
So why do you want to waste your time? Huh? Well, you're likely going to just use her and dump her anyway.
Who told you I'm going to dump this one? You're all wrong.
But you are used to doing this. I mean, besides, where is your wife? Your fine, beautiful Samira? She's somewhere in Paris, attached with your kids. You know, she doesn't look like you're likely going to, you know.
What is Samira? I'm asking you. Do you think she has the power to control me? Huh? Besides, you aren't the one to talk. With the way Nazia hold your balls in her paws.
You're a very funny man, Diko. I tell you.
Office boy. Keep talking. If you think that will hide the fact that you are a failure with women, take a look at me. I'm married with kids, and I still have babies.
I've told you this.
Sorry.
Several times I've told you. I have a very redefined taste in women. I'd rather have one perfect diamond than a pile of worthless zirconia. Now, gentlemen, if you excuse me, I have to get home and rest. I have a very busy day in the office tomorrow. Your Highness. Old tout.
Office boy.
Lottie, I can marry you today. If you say yes.
But what would happen to the wife in your house?
What would happen? I mean, she will just stay. Lottie, listen, her father is the Galadima and I am the...
Point exactly. You know why I can't marry you, Khalifa.
Well, if you cannot marry me then, why are you with me?
If we open the case, and it seems the new EFCC madam doesn't like anything local at all.
When did you find this out?
Just recently. They are reopening a lot of old cases. And the woman is interested in your father's own in particular. Something personal.
One more thing. Yeah. Make sure you come with me first with anything you find out.
I will.
Yeah, Baba Nini. Akwai matsala fa. There's a problem.
Khalifa, ka dawo? Send da zuwa. I waited until your dinner got cold. Shall I warm it?
No need. I've eaten already.
You ate at her house, cool?
What did you just say? Did you... Now listen. I am not in the mood for all this. Do you understand? And please, just leave my sight right now.
Khalifa, why should I leave? Am I not your wife?
Really? Ziha, you know why we are married, don't you? I don't even know why you're bothered over this. You know what brought us together. You know the reason. That one single reason. Isn't it? And you know my feelings towards you. So please, I don't want to talk too much. Just leave my presence this minute.
Khalifa, honestly speaking, I cannot continue like this. I cannot continue to take such disrespect. Make it happen, Ka.
Fine. You cannot. Beautiful. So, Kina son seki uku. Seki uku. And seki ai. No problems. Don't worry.
Oh my God.
Yeah. Listen, it's a simple thing you would have told me earlier. This is a gracious moment for me. Yeah.
What is wrong with
you? Yo, nasa keki. Ziha galadima. Khalifa as duniya hawa lahira na miki saki uku. Bismillah, go. Take it. Go.
Listen, Khalifa, you cannot get rid of me that easily. Kanaji, you did not pick me from the gutter and you will not send me there. The Kanajina. But let me tell you, I am the daughter of the Galadima.
And I am the prince of
Khalifa, please be a princess. Treat me like a decent human being.
What else do you want me to treat you? When you are just here giving me problems, you are my problem, you disturb me.
Problem? How, Khalifa? How can I be a problem when I've not done anything wrong? Khalifa, you will be an emir one day and...
Damn that. Damn the throne. Do you understand? I don't care about being an emir. Do you understand? I don't care about you. Kina Jina? Khalifa. If I was a violent man, wallahi, da kin gama kokarinki. Mbia.
You're late.
I missed you too, my Gimbia.
Tired, eh?
Sure.
Kai Musa wulakanta a garin nan? Eh? You should sack this girl. Imagine her trying to stop me from seeing you.
I informed him to announce his presence.
It's okay, Jacinta. You can go back to your decks.
Fitarella. Kimpanza.
You seem to have a habit of imposing yourself on people. So tell me, how can I help you today?
I need you to plan a very big wedding for me. Colorful one with plenty lights, food, music. You know, it has to be the talk of the town.
Oh, really? So tell me, what kind of event will that be exactly?
A wedding, ours, you and I.
I will do what I want to do.
Why are you frowning your face from me? Okay, look. I've got something that'll make you feel better. The gift. Okay, so here it is.
Pukarshahu. What is this? Elsie? This... What? Laila. Wallahi, this is so beautiful. This is brilliant. Oh, Loti, where have you been all my life? This is what I've been missing.
Well, apparently I've been trying to scrape out a living while certain northern princes were getting married to certain princesses.
No, say, Loti, I don't want to talk about that. Please don't allow this moment, please.
Look, I'm sorry. I shouldn't have said that. Look, let's just live in the moment.
See, that is exactly what I'm talking about. Just give me some sugar and let's forget about it. Come here. Wallahi, this is... Kai, Gabadi, this is wonderful.
Khalifa for governor.
So, tell me more, please, about this decision you have made.
Think about Asanikiva. I'm not joking. I'm serious.
And what makes you think I'm available for you to marry?
What if I tell you that I've fallen in love and I want to marry you as soon as possible?
Just take those documents to the admin. That's all you need to do.
Excuse me. Hello? Who is this?
Hi. My name is Nehu Sanibula. Am I speaking to Binta Kutigi of the Bintel's Bespoke Events?
Yes, this is she. How may I help you?
Yes, we have a company's event coming up, and I'd like you to be our event planner. You've been recommended as one of the best in town. The thing is, I'm quite swamped with work, and I can't come to your office. Can you meet me up somewhere? We can talk about this further.
I suppose I could do that, but you have to pay for my time.
The company's 40th event, and we've had some staff that has been with us for over 20 years. We'd like to celebrate them and not just the company.
All right, then can you send me the address now?
You know what? Why don't we just meet for lunch and we can talk about this further?
I don't mix business with pleasure.
I know. I am mixing business with pleasure. I'll text you the address here. All right. See you soon.
Can I take you for lunch tomorrow?
Oh, I'm sorry, I'll be occupied.
Who is worth your time that you cannot cancel for me?
You'll be surprised.
I'll call you then.
Okay, I'll be waiting for your call eagerly.
Yeah. Oh, I wanted to ask you something. That car outside, is that your car?
Oh, yes. But what?
Combs, how can a solid babe like you be driving that kind of car? No, how can?
Come on, Diku. Not all of us buy cars anyhow. And my car works just fine for me.
It is not up to you at all.
Well then, I guess you know exactly what is up to me. You will decide that just like the way you decided to marry me after seeing me once.
I'll take my leave. ina ake fiyano din ne? Waye ne yake nan ne?
Comrade. Hey. Kwana biyu wallahi ke fiyano shi yayi tafiya.
Oh, okay. How are you?
Welcome. Tafiya sir.
Great.
Hey.
I need a fantastic car. A beautiful car for a beautiful woman.
Kai. To. Wannan dai Ferrari nan is just ya dan yi masculine. Ka gani?
No. Na maza da yawa.
Wallahi amma akwai wata kufa. Kufe. Wallahi tana ta can muje nuna ma.
Oh, okay to.
Engine din ta wallahi komai zafi zan full option. Wow. Ba wani abun nan.
Kai haba.
Mini kufa ce. A wannan motar shege mota je kwanakin baya ma wani president san da ya siyo ma dotar shi.
Wow.
Wallahi. Ai za ta so motar nan.
Ya haka ne. Ka gani? Bari mu ga bayan ta.
Bari mu sake.
How much is it?
7.5.
7.
Wallahi.
Yeah, I think it's okay. It's okay. Wannan deal din yayi.
A ta ji daɗin mu.
Zo. Kaka tsorata ba. Don't be scared, Ga Benjamin sun ko? Yeah, the Benjamins. To tsaya.
To.
To bari kai ma ga wannan kai kuma yi kaɗan abin nan.
Comrade. Ya gode.
Ya za mu yi maganan wanda zai kai mata. The person that's going to take it to her.
There's no problem. We'll arrange one of our drivers. Duk za su kai mata mota. Har da gida za kai mata.
To shikenan. All right now.
Comrade.
You know, being in a place like this with its perfect atmosphere and food and company, you almost just forget how bad it is for so many.
Maybe so, but I usually know that things like that affect me and the way I live my life and my work. I mean, yes, the truth is you must be sensitive to other people's needs, but the truth is you just can't help everyone.
Hello, Malam. Yeah. Is it ready? Fine, perfect. Just make sure she's there to receive it, if it means for you to wait. All right. Hello, Binta, ina kike? This is Diko. I told you I'll call you, didn't I?
I'm with the client.
It's your client, a man.
What if he is?
But Binta, I want to see you now. Is it possible for you to shift your appointment with your client? Is it possible for you to shift your appointment with your client?
No, I can't.
Okay, but you're going back to the office today, right?
Yes, when I'm done with my clients.
Alright, just let me know when you're back. Me, I'm hungry. I want to find somewhere to eat. See you then.
Okay, bye.
Is everything okay?
Everything is just fine.
Hello?
Hello, Nu. Where are you?
Well, I'm busy at the moment. What is it?
Doesn't matter where you are. Come, let's have lunch now. I want to just share about the things I did for that babe, Binta. Remember Haku?
Who is that? Remind me.
Idiot, I know you're just trying to pretend. You should know about Binta now. The tall, beautiful girl I told you I was going to marry.
Digo. There are a lot of women you've told me that you'll marry. I can't remember this one.
Thank you.